Well, after your first correction, you may experience some soreness due to the body being out of balance for so long and the body's trying to get back in balance. There's a lot of muscles and stuff that have been out of place, and as they start to restructure, there's toxins that build up in the muscles. So the muscles have to get rid of those toxins, and that's why you could be sore. So we encourage patients to drink tons of water so that doesn't happen. Another thing is patients may not experience anything at all. That doesn't mean it's necessarily a good thing or necessarily a bad thing. It just may take time for that body to heal. And then the third thing, some people may experience relief. You know, as patients come in, they may have a headache, we do an alignment, and then the headache could go away, for example.
Patients will come to us and say, you know what, I'm no longer having bladder issues, and we never knew they had bladder issues. You know, the body just starts to heal itself. We don't know what it could possibly be helping.
Within minutes, some things started to happen, positive things. It was almost like my whole feet started to warm up.
When she turned that switch on and opened that up, so that brain stem that's set right in the center of those two, when she opened that up, the first thing my brain stem did is it heard and felt this pain. And I'm sure it said, "What are you doing?" And my jaw went, "I'm pouring it on." And my brain said, "Stop that." And it stopped.
That was the only adjustment I ever gave her. She made it a miraculous recovery. Lived 15 years after that. Friends and neighbors called it a miracle.